to watch their dog or a camera to watch their kids. It changed. Like security has changed tremendously.
Do you think the security is a necessity for life right now?
100%.
For any business?
It tells a story. You know, the biggest thing is giving you, not just to tell you who's been around your property, who's walked into your building, having biometric stuff, access control to let you know who's walked in. Gives you a whole, you know, gives you a lot more data to look at. And I feel like
peace of mind.
Peace of mind. At the same time, you might have a lot of companies have bad employees. They'll come in after hours, steal information, walk out. And that's kind of stuff that can hurt a business. It happened to me 25 years ago. Like I had an employee where, he decided to go on a Sunday and download all our customers, and he's still in business. I'll beat him. I'll beat him in the long run. I'll win.
But the security is another layer of protection for even the home or any businesses. If it's not bad. It's like you having a bodyguard 24 hours in your home, especially when you have a big family, you have kids, and especially today with this stuff that's going on everywhere. You see it, you hear it. That I think every business, they need that security.
And what's great about, which is good and bad, but the human race, whenever there's a fight in the street or an incident at the airport, everybody pulls out their phones and videotapes it. So there's always going to be an
evidence.
It's great for litigations and all that stuff. Now you have other film. At the same time, sometimes you see someone that you might not want to be filming, maybe helping. Those are the ones I look at like, they need help. Because you see where there's a gun shootout at a school and you see the person filming instead of helping. There's a problem there.
Let's talk about a little bit of entrepreneurship, because entrepreneurship, John, is not easy. You've been in there, I've been in there. You get to the point that you just want to throw the towel. I said, I'm out, I'm done.
I did that this week.
Are you?
And I say that as a joke, but everybody has those days.
Yeah, everybody has it. You get to that point, and then you go up, you make the money, you have the all success, you partied, I partied, you do all that. And then you get to the point that you're just going to step back and say, where am I going? Have you got to that point?
I don't know. I feel like
or change the way you operate, or you look at the entrepreneurship, or you say, oh, I'm an entrepreneur, but I got to change my way. I got to do this.
I'm at that point now. It's weird. Like I think COVID kind of made everybody's life change. Right after COVID, it seemed like we were kind of stuck in that rut still. Like we're still doing very well. We're still doing installs, making customers happy. I'm all about customer service. I'm big on that. But then I noticed that I was letting a lot of my team members do what they're supposed to do. They're running the company. But just like when Michael Dell took a break and left, and then he had to come back. I had to do that. Mentally, I was taking a break a little bit.